welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 11 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is pronouns. So in this chapter we all are going to talk about the pronouns. So what are these pronouns? Let me tell you. So pronouns are basically the words that are used in place of nouns so that we can avoid their repetition, right? So let us begin with the chapter now and see what they are telling us more about it. Read the following conversation and observe the highlighted words. तो जल्दी से ये जो conversation यहाँ पर दी गई है इसको पढ़ते हैं और जो highlighted words हैं उनको भी एक बार देखते हैं. Hi Amba, can you tell me where Shivani is? Yes, she has gone to her grandparents' house. Okay, today is Sunday. We shall go for a picnic. Who all will go? Amir, you and I. Okay, I'll come along. But what about the ticket? Amir has bought tickets for all of us. Okay, let's go. So, all the highlighted words here are pronouns. तो इस conversation में जितने भी highlighted words हमने देखे, I, you, we, us, all these are actually the pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. तो एक प्रोनाउन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि एक नाउन की जगह पर यूज किया जाता है. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, वी यूज प्रोनाउंस टू अवॉइड द रिपीटेशन ऑफ नाउन्स. कि हम प्रोनाउंस को यूज करते हैं ताकि हम नाउन्स का जो रिपीटेशन है उसे अवॉइड कर सके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिस्टर दीपेश इज माई नेबर. ही वर्कड इन द आर्मी. राइट? In the above sentence, he takes the place of Mr. Dipesh. के ऊपर sentences में he जो है वो Mr. Dipesh की जगह पर यूज किया जा रहा है. Right? If we didn't use pronouns, sentences would become very repetitive. तो अगर हम pronouns को यूज नहीं करते हैं तो जो sentences हैं वो repetitive बन जाते हैं. Right? Mr. Dipesh is my neighbor. Mr. Dipesh is very active. Mr. Dipesh and Mr. Dipesh's friend were soldiers in the army. Right? So, these sentences can also be written as. अब हमने देखा कि इन sentences में Mr. Dipesh बार बार repeat हो रहा है. तो अब हम इन sentences को दूसरे तरीके से लिखते हैं. So it is, Mr. Dipesh is my neighbor. He is very active. He and his friends were soldiers in the Indian Army. Right? So, read the following table and observe the use of different pronouns. तो अब जल्दी से इस टेबल को पढ़ते हैं और अलग अलग pronouns के uses को जानते हैं. Pronouns used, pronouns and example. So let's read them. When we describe or talk about ourselves. तो जब हमें describe करना हो या खुद के बारे में बात करनी हो. So pronouns जो use किए जाते हैं वो है I, me, mine, we, us and ours. And the examples are, I am Rahat, look at me. This book is mine. We are friends, look at us. This is our bag. Right? Next, when we speak to a person at the moment. कि जब हम किसी ऐसे person से बात कर रहे हो एक moment पर. So जो pronouns use किए जाते हैं वो हैं you and yours. Right? So the example says, you are my friend. This car is yours. When we talk about people or things in the third person, जब हम people या things के बारे में बात करें जो कि third person में आती हो, तो जो pronouns यूज किए जाते हैं वो हैं he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs, it, etc. Right? So examples are, he is Gulshan. Look at him. This bag is his. She is Jaya. Look at her. This dress is hers. They are my friends. Look at them. This class is theirs. It is my pet Victor. Right? So next we have the grammar fact, which says we use the pronouns mine, ours, yours, his, her and theirs to show that something belongs to someone. तो हम इन सभी प्रोनाउंस का यूज करते हैं जब हमें पोजेशन दिखाना हो, यानी कि कोई चीज है जो कि इन सभी चीजों को बिलोंग करती है. So let us recall what we learned in this chapter. So it is, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. तो एक pronoun एक ऐसा word है जहाँ पर जो कि एक noun की जगह पर यूज करते हैं. Some common pronouns are, अब कुछ common pronouns हमें यहाँ पर दी गई हैं जो कि हैं I, me, mine, you, yours, he, him, his, we, us, ours, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs and it. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the pronouns. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.